Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking a look at ticker symbol AETI. It's American Electric Tech Incorporated. The chart we have today is a 15-minute chart. Each candlestick on this chart representing 15 minutes of trading. We're going to focus on the price action today, the channel that was created, and the fact that this thing is up 48% at the close on earnings. At the high of the day, it was up a lot more than that, over 50% easily. So let's discuss the potential that this might have to run the rest of the week. And first, we're going to discuss those pivot points, of course. So that top pivot point we have, 14.18. That middle pivot point is going to be $4 flat. And then down here we have 375. So you can see this 15-minute candle right off the bat, high of $5.15, opening down here at about 338, rather about 340, and then the low right there around 320. Pushed up all the way to 515, but it couldn't hold those gains. That candle closed at about 425, 430, and then from there on it made one more push up slightly before deviating all the way down, breaking support, and then coming right back up. And this was the main channel for the entire day mostly, was between $3.75 and $4. So there wasn't much opportunity to day trade this after the initial momentum at the start of the day. Obviously, this is up on earnings. We have the earnings and the conference call that happened. Conference call co-aligning with the selling off. Not sure if that has anything merit to do with it or not. I believe that it doesn't, because if the conference call was bad, I think we would have seen this thing sell off even more. Considering the fact that it's still up 48%, it still held a lot of the gains, and that's why I'm making this analysis. If this thing fell off even more and erased a lot of its gains, it wouldn't be worth analyzing, and it wouldn't be worth really looking at the rest of the week. But since it managed to hold support at 375, it's definitely worth keeping an eye on, because this thing, like I said, is still up 48.5%. So there's a chance that we could break out and test 515 tomorrow, depending on if we get the volume. As you can see here, it took a lot of volume to make that push. The rest of the day, the volume wasn't quite there. We had some volume come back in this area and form this doji, but it wasn't quite enough to uptrend us. We couldn't hold above $4, and we didn't test 418 again for that breakout to 515, the high of the day. So what do we need to see? We need to see this channel break to the upside, and then we're going to have to break this channel to the upside as well. So we have some resistance right there at $4, and then right there at $4.18. Tough resistance, but if we can break that, this thing does have a shot at running once again. What we don't want to see is 375 support breaking, and if that does break, we might come all the way down to this 50-period average around 338. Now, of course, depending on the after hours and pre-market action, if the movement trends up, we'll see this 50-period average slowly approach 375, and if it does, we'll have stronger support at 375 as well, and the chance that that breaks is going to become less and less likely. So we really just need to keep an eye on this. Let's take also a look at our relative strength index down there at the bottom. See, we went oversold in this area, rather we pushed out from oversold, and we went overbought in this area, though we didn't hold the overbought area. Previous overbought was over here, and you can see this was pretty much an equal overbought area. Interestingly enough, we didn't go overbought on this initial candle. The fast average did. The slow average and fast average were both overbought, but on this red candle here. So it's pretty likely that we could definitely see this run again. Both overbought areas are the exact same on the money, and that's going to be a good sign. If the overbought area was lower, somewhere around here, somewhere lower, then that wouldn't be a good sign. It'd be downtrending, but it still is up a lot. The stock still is uptrending, even though we've been channeling, and you could call this a bullish flag. Obviously, we have the flag pull, then the consolidation, and we just need to see if it's going to break to the downside or to the upside next. It's not a perfect flag. If it was, we would have seen this consolidation more up here, but it's still a bullish flag overall, and we will definitely be watching this tomorrow. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please give a like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to Active Investor. We will continue providing content like this and more to come down the line, of course, as well. Have a good one.